Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 of the specimen paper 3, specimen paper 2023 paper 3, the website authoring. So I am going to start from where I stop in the first video, which is the part 1. So this one will now be part 2. So I have done the step 3, which is the modification of the CSS. So I am going to start from step 4. Open the web page. So this is the web page I'm going to open in a suitable editing package. So when they are talking about in a suitable editing package, you should know that you are going to open it with Expression Web. So that is the package I'm going to use for the web page, for the web page development. So replace, so let me quickly do this one. I'll just come to my work area. So let me look at the file name. Okay, spec web page. So I'll just select, I will right click, I will go to open with Expression Web 4. So this is the web page. So this web page has been created by the examiner. So I think they want us to modify it or to edit or to complete it. So now let's go straight to the question. Replace the text a candidate this with your name, center number and candidate number. So it means that I am going to replace this with my name, center number and candidate number. So let me quickly go there. So I will go to design aspect. So which text are they talking about? Okay, this is the text. I'll just put 0001, center number NG466, then candidate number. I'll just write my name, Rafa. So my first name and my surname. So let me look at it. Test, replace the test a candidate. Okay, I think I've done that. So I need to save. So now let me continue. I'm done with this one. Attach the CSS spec style 1 to this web page. Style 1 to this web page. So I will just go to what? Attach style sheet. Just click on this one, attach style sheet. Then don't do anything here, just attach it as a link. Browse. So this is the CSS that the examiner asked me to attach. I'll just select. Let me confirm. Yes, I'm correct. And I will click on open. Then it's already there. Just click OK. So you can see the effect of the CSS. Then I will go to code platform to see. You can see the CSS that I've just attached. Now let's move on. So I've done this. Attach the CSS you edited in step 3 to your web page, so it has a higher priority than the style sheet spec style 1. So it means that the one that I've edited, so you can see this one, this is the one that I've edited. So now I call the name spec style, then followed by my candidate number. So that is the one I am going to attach after I have attached this one. So after attaching this one will now take a priority, higher priority over this one. So it means that it's this one that is going to take effect. So despite the fact that I've attached the first one, so let me quickly do that. So after attaching that one, then I will save. So I will just follow the same process. I will click on attach CSS, browse. So this is the CSS that I've edited. Then I will click on open. Click on open. So you can see now current page. So you can see now this one has taken higher priority over the first one. So now let's see the effect. So this is the effect. You can see the effect now. So this is the effect. This is the effect. Don't forget, when I was editing it, the text, the color that we put for the text is now showing. So let me save. Let me save. Save. Then I'm done with this one. Use the class created in your style sheet to set the color of the text Tawara digital storage to cyan. Don't forget, I have created a class in the CSS, and I call the name of the class, I call it cyan. So now I am going to apply it, and I'm going to create it here in the HTML. I'm going to create it in HTML on this text, So it means that this text from here to here, it will be showing another color, and the color that is going to show is the color for the class, is the color that I created for that class. So what I am going to do now, I will just go to code. I will go to code. So I will now trace it where I can find the heading, which is heading 1. Heading 1. So this is when it's going to take effect. So what I am going to do now, I will just click on this place, click on this place, click on this place. I will use my chevron, then X as a span. Then I will now click on class. So what is the name of the class? The name of the class is cyan. You can see it now. Just pick. Then I will close chevron. Don't forget, I need to delete this. To delete this, then I will now bring it down to this place. Bring it down to this place. That is to close. So don't forget, close name the /. That is a close tag for the class. So this is how to create the class. So now let me go and see the effect. Let's see the effect. So let me save and see the effect. Save. So you can see, so that is the class that I created. So yes, we are making progress. I'm done with this one. Place into the appropriate section of the correct web development layer. Metadata to define the character set to UTF-8. So what is the meaning of this, of all this metadata? Metadata is we can say is making more clarification about the information about the web page. The information about the web page. You can see the second one. Second one is talking about the name of the author. The name of the author. Then the third one is talking about the keywords. The keywords. So when we're talking about the mentor in HTML, it's talking about you can see the meta tag define metadata about an HTML document. Metadata is data, that is the information about data. Meta tags always go inside the head section. It's always go inside the word, the head section. That is the description of the word, description of the web page, and are typically used to specify character set, page description, keyword, author of the document, and view port settings. So that is what meta tag normally do. So meta tag are HTML tags used to provide additional information about a web page to search engines and other clients. So, and that is what I am going to do right away. So the first thing I'm going to do is the character set. Now I will go to code. I'll come to code. So this one you can see is going to be in between the open tag for head and the close tag for head. So that is after I'll just press enter. So I will now type my chevron, then I can now see my meta, then character. You can see now character set is UTF hyphen 8. So that one is done. So I need to close it, then I'll press enter so that I will do the second one. That is the name of the word, the name of the author. So metadata to include your name as the author of the web page. So I will use the same method. So this time around I will just mentor then space name, type name. The name is what? That is author. Type author as a content. Then content is, that is my name. I can just type Raphael Shafer. That is your name. So it means that I am my name is Raphael. So it means that I'm the owner of this web page. I'm the author of this web page. So I've just pressed enter. Now I am going to look at the keywords now. Sorry, I have not closed this. Enter. Then name again. Is it name? Let me look at it. Yes, name. Enter name. To set the keyword to Tawara. Okay. Tawara. Name. Then that will be keywords. Let me look at it. 100% accuracy. Keywords. Okay. Keywords. Then the content. The content is Tawara command. Tawara. What's the next thing? It's TDS command. The next thing is DVD. So the next one is SSD command. SSD. Then let me close it. So I'm done with this. Let me just go and save. Save. So step 7, replace the test place. The test place image here in the web page with the image. So this image spec SSD you edited at step 1. So let's quickly do that. So this one, I'm going to replace it. So I'll just go to what? I'll just go to insert, then picture from. So I will go to my work area. Make sure you pick it from your work area because of the file path. So let me look at the file name. Spec SSD. So this is, then insert. So I can say, let me look at the image. I think the image is something like can call it SSD picture. SSD image. That is alternate text. SSD image. I'll click OK. So then I'll save. So I'm done with this one. Add appropriate alternate text to this image. I've done that. Save the web page. Display the web page in your browser. Take screenshot evidence and place this in your evidence document. Make sure that all the pages can be seen, all the text can be easily read. The address bar is fully visible. Okay, let's quickly do that. Save this web page. Display the web page in your browser. So let's quickly do that. Let me save. Now go to File, then Preview. I'll use Chrome to do that. It's almost open. So yes, this is the web page displaying in my web browser. So I will just adjust it a bit so that everything will be visible. Just reduce it. Okay, I think let me just reduce it a bit. Yes, so everything is visible now. So what I will just do, I will make sure that this URL is what is showing. So don't forget, according to the It said the address bar is fully visible. So I'll just take the screenshot, take everything here. In fact, I can take everything. Let me take it from this place. Take it from this place. So I think everything is visible. Okay, let me adjust it a bit. So make sure that everything is visible. Click copy. So what evidence is that? Let me look at the evidence. Save this web page and place this in your evidence document. So that will be the next evidence. That will be the next evidence. That's evidence 3. Yes, everything is visible. Then I will save. Go back to the question. So I am done with this one. I'm done with this. So take a copy of the HTML source and place this in your evidence document. Take a copy. This one is not take a screenshot. When you're talking about the HTML source, talking about the code. Talking about the code. So you come here, go to your code. So take it from the beginning, select everything. Make sure that everything, select everything, then copy. Then I will now go to my evidence document. Evidence document. That's evidence 4. Then I'll paste. So this is the HTML source. And I'll save. Let me go back to the question. So I'm done with this one. So I'm done with this paper. So the next video will be for spreadsheet. That one is loading. So thank you so much for this tutorial. I think you have been able to get how you can create your website successfully in this specimen paper 3 website authoring aspect. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.